Good morning, everybody. Shall study about prepositions. Name itself suggests pre plus position, placed before. Prepositions show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. It shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. Example for this: he went to Kashmir with Krishna. Went to Kashmir with Krishna. So Kashmir is the name of a place. Krishna is the name of a person. So relationship of a noun with other words in the sentence is called preposition. To, with, they are prepositions. There is a cow in the field. It also shows the relationship of this noun with other words in the sentence. So this is preposition. I was waiting for him. For is the preposition. Here also it's a pronoun. Shows the relationship of a pronoun with other words in the sentence. This is preposition. Prepositions. There are three different types of prepositions: simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition. Single preposition, there is only one syllable. The word has only one syllable. Here it may have two syllables. It consists of two syllables, and phrase preposition name itself suggests group of words. More than two words are there in phrase preposition. Now let us study about the simple prepositions. I shall give you some example for simple prepositions: in, by, on, for, up, through, at, of. These are some of the simple prepositions. There are many more simple prepositions. Example: we traveled in train. In train. She goes to school by bus. Goes to school by bus or on foot. She goes to school by bus or on foot. On is also a preposition. Then don't look up. Don't look up. Up preposition. Go through the book. Through, it seems to be a long word, but it has only one syllable. Go through the book. Go through the book. Go through the book. Go through means read. Read the book. Go through the book. Next, she came at 9 a.m. She came at. At is the simple preposition here. He is fond of sweets. Here, of is the preposition. Simple preposition. He is fond of sweets. So, in, to, by, on, up, through, at, of. These are all simple prepositions. Next, compound prepositions. Examples are given here for compound prepositions. Compound prepositions have two syllables. The dog fell into the well. Into, this is the preposition. It is compound because it has two syllables. In, to. In and to. It has got two syllables. Then the puppy ran towards me. Towards me. Here also there are two syllables, two words. Then she talked about him. About is the preposition. It also consists of two syllables. About. Two words. Then fourth one, get steered along the right path. Get steered along the right path. Along, along. Two syllables are here. So this is compound prepositions. Get steered along the right path. He scored above 90. Here above is the preposition. It also has got 2 syllables. I'll come back within 10 minutes with in. Within is the compound preposition here. I'll come back within 10 minutes. Next sentence, I sat beside him. Beside is the preposition. It also has got 2 syllables. 8th one, besides being an actor, he is also a director. Besides being an actor, he is also a director. Besides is the preposition here. It is also compound preposition because it has got 2 syllables. Besides and beside. Note the difference between beside and besides. Beside meaning near, besides meaning in addition to. So here into, towards, above, along, above, within, beside and besides, these are all the compound prepositions. Next we shall see about the phrase prepositions. Here name itself says it is group of words with a phrase. Example, in spite of his poverty, he is honest. In spite of his poverty, he is honest. In spite of, this is the preposition, phrase preposition. Next one, instead of the principal, a teacher attended the meeting. Instead of, this is the phrase preposition here. Next, there is a garden in front of my house. In front of, it is the preposition, phrase preposition. There is a garden in front of my house. 4th one, I studied Hindi in addition to English. I studied Hindi in addition to English. In addition to. Here there are group of words, 3 words, in addition to. Here also 3, in front of. In these 2 sentences, instead of, in spite of, 2 words are here. Here 3 words are here. In front of, in addition to. So I studied Hindi in addition to English. It is the phrase preposition. Because of corona, the schools are closed. Because of, it is the phrase preposition. Because of corona, the schools are closed. Next sentence, he went to the market in order to buy vegetables. He went to the market in order to buy vegetables. Here, in order to, it is the preposition, phrase preposition. Next, according to Gandhi, ahimsa is non-violence. According to Gandhi, ahimsa is non-violence. According to, this is the preposition, phrase preposition. According to Gandhi, ahimsa is non-violent. So, let us again see what are the phrase preposition in these following sentences. In spite of, instead of, in front of, in addition to, because of, in order to, according to. These are all phrase prepositions. Now let us recall what we have studied about prepositions. Prepositions are words which show the relationship of a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. There are 3 different kinds of prepositions: simple, compound and phrase prepositions. Simple prepositions have only 1 syllable, compound prepositions have 2 syllables and phrase prepositions have group of words with the preposition. I hope you all would have understood. If you like this video, you can subscribe, share it and click the bell icon. Thank you.